With a crown of feathers and a voice that echoes through ancient lands, the hoopoe bird is not just a creature of beauty, it's a symbol of mystery, wisdom, and wonder. From the deserts of Arabia to the forests of Madagascar, the hoopoe has inspired legends, scriptures, and science alike. Today, we journey through 10 of the rarest hoopoe species across the globe, each with its own story, each with its own song. Get ready to meet the crown jewels of the skies. Eurasian hoopoe is the most widely known member of the hoopoe family. Eurasian hoopoe has a striking orange head crest with black tips. Eurasian hoopoe spreads across Europe, Asia, and North Africa. Eurasian hoopoe uses a long, curved beak to extract insects from the ground. Eurasian hoopoe is recognized in ancient texts, especially in the Quran. Eurasian hoopoe migrates seasonally, especially from cold regions to Africa. Eurasian hoopoe nests in tree cavities and sometimes in wall holes. African hoopoe is found in sub-Saharan Africa. African hoopoe has more rufous, reddish plumage compared to Eurasian hoopoe. African hoopoe displays a bold black and white wing pattern when flying. African hoopoe is sometimes considered a separate species due to vocal and visual differences. African hoopoe prefers open woodlands and savanna regions. Madagascar hoopoe is endemic to the island of Madagascar. Madagascar hoopoe has adapted to the island's unique climate and flora. Madagascar hoopoe features slightly darker feathers than other hoopoe species. Madagascar hoopoe often forages in dry forests and scrublands. Madagascar hoopoe plays an important role in maintaining insect population balance. Madagascar hoopoe is less studied due to the remoteness of its habitat. Indian hoopoe is a subspecies commonly found across the Indian subcontinent. Indian hoopoe thrives in dry plains, grasslands, and even urban gardens. Indian hoopoe can be seen sunbathing with wings spread wide. Indian hoopoe is celebrated in Indian poetry and folk tales. Indian hoopoe often builds nests in old walls, tree holes, and roofs. Himalayan hoopoe resides in the high-altitude areas of the Himalayas. Himalayan hoopoe has a longer beak than most other subspecies. Himalayan hoopoe adapts to cooler climates and rocky terrains. Himalayan hoopoe nests in cliffs and steep slopes. Chinese hoopoe is mainly found in eastern China and parts of Korea. Chinese hoopoe shows subtle differences in coloration compared to Eurasian hoopoe. Chinese hoopoe is known for slightly darker upper parts. Chinese hoopoe has adapted well to both forests and farmlands. Arabian hoopoe resides in the Arabian Peninsula and arid Middle Eastern regions. Arabian hoopoe has a more robust body structure than other subspecies. Arabian hoopoe is well adapted to desert climates. Arabian hoopoe seeks shade during midday heat and becomes active in the mornings and evenings. Central Asian hoopoe is distributed across Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, and Turkmenistan. Central Asian hoopoe shows a mix of desert and temperate traits. Central Asian hoopoe can be seen nesting in old buildings and cliffs. Central Asian hoopoe has a shorter crest compared to other subspecies. Iberian hoopoe lives mainly in Spain and Portugal. Iberian hoopoe is smaller in size and shows slightly lighter plumage. Iberian hoopoe thrives in olive groves, vineyards, and rural landscapes. Iberian hoopoe is protected under European conservation laws. Southeast Asian hoopoe is native to islands like Java, Bali, and nearby regions. Southeast Asian hoopoe prefers tropical and humid forests. Southeast Asian hoopoe has adapted to dense foliage and lower light. Southeast Asian hoopoe uses its strong beak to probe through leaf litter.